Ever wonder why some people seem to never fall sick while others catch every bug that goes around? It all comes down to the strength of your immune system. This incredible system is our body's fortress against pathogens, the unwanted invaders that cause illness. The stronger your immune system, the better your body can fight off these intruders. The difference between a mild sniffle and a severe flu? That's your immune system at work. To build an adaptive immune system, we need certain key nutrients. Want to know what they are? Stay tuned. Here are the 11 key nutrients that play a crucial role in building an adaptive immune system. Let's dive in and discover how each one of these nutrients bolsters your body's natural defenses. First up, we have vitamin A. This nutrient is a guardian of your skin and mucous membranes, the body's first line of defense against harmful pathogens. Next is vitamin C, often touted as the ultimate immune booster. This potent antioxidant aids in the production of white blood cells and antibodies, the soldiers in your immune system's army. Then we have vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Beyond its role in bone health, vitamin D is vital for immune system regulation, helping to activate T cells when an invader is detected. Vitamin E, another antioxidant powerhouse, protects your cells from damage and aids in the production of immune cells. Our fifth nutrient is folate, also known as vitamin B9. It's essential for the creation and repair of DNA, which in turn supports the rapid growth of cells, including those in your immune system. Iron follows next, playing a pivotal role in the growth and differentiation of immune cells, particularly lymphocytes, which are crucial for your body's adaptive immunity. Selenium, a trace mineral, helps lower oxidative stress in your body, reducing inflammation and enhancing immunity. Zinc, another trace mineral, is involved in virtually every aspect of the immune system, from DNA synthesis to wound healing. Copper plays an essential role in the development and maintenance of immune system function, contributing to the activity of certain white blood cells. Vitamin B6 is a key player in protein metabolism and cognitive development, but it also influences the production and function of cells that are integral to immune responses. Last but certainly not least is vitamin B12. It's essential for nerve function, the formation of red blood cells, and DNA synthesis. But it also plays a key role in the function and development of brain cells, nerve cells, and blood cells, which all work together to boost your immune system. These nutrients are the building blocks of a strong, adaptive immune system, but remember, they all need to work together to give you the best defense possible. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about these 11 key nutrients. Vitamin A is essential for the health of your skin and tissues, acting as the first line of defense against pathogens. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that strengthens your body's natural defenses. Vitamin D helps regulate your immune response, while vitamin E protects your cells from damage. The B vitamins, specifically B6, B9 and B12, play vital roles in supporting your immune system's biochemical reactions. Zinc is a mineral that boosts the immune response, whereas selenium acts as an antioxidant protecting your body from stress. Iron helps your body produce white blood cells, which are crucial for immunity. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in your body. And lastly, protein is necessary for building and repairing body tissues, including those of the immune system. To keep your immune system at its best, make sure to include these nutrients in your diet. Your body will thank you for it.